sorry about it. You're a woman, I apologize. I don't ask women anything. How you doing today, sir?
Good, are you?
Good, I'm blessed. I'll be honest with you, sir. I apologize. I know it's random. I'm a bad alcoholic, and I'm just trying to raise some money to get one beer. I suffer from alcoholism. Anything will help, brother. Desperate. 50 cents, quarter, dollar, anything will help.
I'm sorry, I don't have any money on me right now.
God bless you, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Very good way.
How you doing today, sir? I'm sorry about the bad alcohol. I'm just trying to get paid. That's all. Maybe 50 cents or a dollar. I'm sorry about it. What's up? Yes. Hey, how you doing, sir? Good, how are you? I'm sorry about it. What's great? Bad alcohol. I'm just trying to get some money.
Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Where's that train? Yeah, left. Bogey bottom.
Step back towards closing.